If are you in Nigeria looking for real remote jobs in 2025 with no experience, no long applications, and no Zoom interviews? Then grab your phone, maybe your earphones, because today I'm showing you 5 websites that are actually hiring Nigerians right now, and you can start working from home tonight. Whether you want to chat with people and get paid, tutor online, or just complete simple tasks, I've got something here that works, no flop, just fast, alright? Just fast. First up is study pool, and this one is fire. If you are good at explaining school stuff, even if it is just secondary school maths or biology, you can make money by answering student questions online. So you don't need a degree. If you can explain well, they will pay you in dollars per question solved. And the good thing about this platform is that they accept Nigerians. Payout is via Pioneer, and it is flexible. You can work at night or whenever you want. So you simply want to go to studypool.com, as you can see right here on your screen. Next is Cambly. Now this one lets you get paid to speak English with people from other countries. No teaching certificates, no degree. You are literally just starting with people who want to learn conversational English. Now they pay weekly and you set your own hours. That means if you are a night owl, you can work late hours and still earn on this platform. Alright, so guys, if you want to go to cambly.com, you can see right there on your screen. So this is the website. You simply want to go to this website and create an account for yourself. Alright, so at number 3 is Just Answer, and this platform lets you get paid for your knowledge. So are you good in tech, health, legal, or even car repair? Now it is not complicated. You answer, get rated, and once verified, you start earning real income. They accept global users, including Nigerians. So you simply want to justanswer.com. You can see right here on your screen. So you simply want to go to justanswer.com to get started. This one is super underrated. I'm sure most of you are well familiar with this one. It's simply called Toloka. And Toloka, it is a microtask platform by Yandex. You do simple things like checking images, review search results, or listening to short audios. You can do this on your phone at night on your bed. Task pay in USD and you get paid directly to your Pioneer account. If you want something easy and chill, this is simply perfect for you. So you simply want to go to their main website. As you can see right here on your screen, you just want to go to we.toloka.ai. So just go to we.toloka.ai and you'll be able to actually create an account for yourself. Last but not least on our list is simply Click Worker, and this one has been around for years, and yes, it works in Nigeria. You sign up, complete your profile, and get access to surveys and small gigs. The best part, you can work anytime, anywhere, and tasks pop up regularly. It is not that glamorous, but it is real money in your pocket. So you simply want to go to clickworker.com to get started, as you can see right here on your screen. So guys, you want to go to clickworker.com to actually create an account. Now guys, you've seen 5 legit remote jobs for Nigerians, no experience needed. So start with 1 or 2 and get familiar and stay consistent. If you want me to make a full tutorial on any of these sites, just drop the name in the comments. And don't forget, you can get all the job links, tips and updates when you join the free Telegram channel. The link is in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you got value today and subscribe so you don't miss the next remote job update. Let us win together.